Hey, what's up? My name's Kevin and I'm the Helpful Hero, here to help you leverage the awesome power that is HubSpot. I'm not sure if you've seen yet, but HubSpot released a brand new aspect to their template marketplace that allows you to purchase what are called standalone modules. And these are awesome because they're just little isolated modules that you can utilize in any theme. And so I've created some really cool ones and I've got some other really awesome ones on the horizon. And so I want to show you the notification bar module, which you can purchase and utilize for your website today. This module is awesome, especially if you're looking for new ways to optimize your lead generation flows. Now, I'm sure you've seen pop-up modals with forms and all kinds of different aspects to help basically build your database or your CRM. This is yet another tool which, in my opinion, offers a really awesome user experience because it doesn't interrupt anyone in a specific flow, whether they're reading content, watching a video, etc. So without further ado, let me show you the very cool notification bar so you can get a sense of what to expect. So here we are in the HubSpot CMS. I've already added in the notification bar right up here so you can kind of get a sense. Basically what it is it's a little alert bar that is going to anchor to the top or bottom of the page. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like in just a moment. But the cool part about this is if we go ahead and preview this in a new tab, I've added some pretty cool functionality here. And one of those things is introducing what I call the big bonus bar. And this essentially allows you to add content, a form, a CTA, images, whatever you want right in frame so that you don't necessarily have to take someone to a brand new page in order to give them more context about your offer. So let's just go ahead and look into the actual module itself so you can kind of see just how much functionality and features exist in here. So right off the bat, under Start here, you're gonna see this aspect of what do you wanna do when the bar is clicked. Now I just showed you the big bonus bar and I'll go into a little bit more depth in a moment, but you can also just simply select take a person to a new page. If you have another page with more information that has forms or just more context. And then of course, just do nothing. So say you just want to alert your customers or visitors to your website about something, but there's no core action to take. Well, you can certainly click do nothing as well. Now there's one other really cool feature which I've added here, which is really important, and that's the ability to set a cookie on this banner. So say for example, someone comes and either clicks it or dismisses it, you can set a cookie so that that banner isn't displayed every single time the person lands on that specific page. You have this notification bar because that could be super annoying. So if you want it to set so that it will redisplay after 7 days or 30 days or what have you, you have that option baked right in. Now, another couple cool features you can expect if you go under the Styles tab is to utilize the bar placement. So for example, if we do the bottom placement and apply changes, you're basically gonna get this just anchored at the bottom. Now let's just jump over to preview really quick just so you can see this in action. Obviously, this is gonna anchor at the page, so as someone scrolls, it's gonna stay in place. And of course, if they click learn more or whatever your CTA is, the big bonus bar is gonna pop up from the top. Now, if we go back here, of course you have all of the aspects to kind of dial in the style, the background color, fonts, like you name it. It's gonna allow you to really marry this to whatever your brand style guide is. We'll jump back to the Contents tab just one more time so you can kind of get a sense of what's in here. Now, of course, this would be the text that you could see right down here. You can add a button or just to turn it off, and of course, change that button label. If we go back here, you can see with the big bonus bar activated, you have the ability to add up to 2 columns. Now, you can of course change the column arrangement. So if you want 2 equal columns or a larger left column and right or a smaller right column, you totally have that functionality. And then as you go into each of these columns, you can very easily see how you have a rich text editor, which is super flexible, as you know, and even the ability to add a form element. So this is really a tool that's meant to help you convert visitors into potential leads on your website. Now, the The notification bar is awesome, and I do have a few other modules in a standalone marketplace that are pretty exciting as well. There's a pricing calculator, there's an event manager, and I'm releasing even more. I'll do other videos on that, but the notification bar just got released into the HubSpot template marketplace, so figured why not make a video, share a little bit of what else I'm working on to provide even more value for you, and yeah, help you build your business, convert more leads, and do all that fun stuff. All right, I'm out. Have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.